When it comes to choosing between using a mechanical pencil or a lead holder, there are a few features that normally differentiate them, but ultimately, it really comes down to personal preference and most often what you're used to using. But let's go over some of the differences. Lead holders are a more traditional approach to writing or drawing. Most use 2mm graphite lead, which can be sharpened to a point using a lead pointer. Some advance lead incrementally when pressing the button, while some release the lead, allowing you to set the length you want. Mechanical pencils use fixed size leads, most commonly 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9mm. No sharpening is required. This is more convenient for the average user, but much less flexibility than the lead holder. Some mechanical pencils include a window you can adjust to indicate the softness of the lead that's inside. You may want to use a lead holder when doing something more artistic, or when you want to shade something with the side of the lead. If you're used to a regular graphite pencil, a lead holder might feel more natural to you. And since they're always full length, you can maintain a consistent bounce. Or you may want to use a mechanical pencil when you want something more precise, thin, and sharp when writing. Or if you're using a straight edge or template. There are a variety of styles of pencils and leads available, so find the one you're most comfortable using, but having a few options handy for different situations can make things a lot easier.